Present, good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So already I given the topic. It means I covered the topic articles. What are articles? A, an and the are called articles. A, an are called indefinite article and the is called definite article because it is used for a particular person, particular thing. Okay. So the, where we are going to use the, before the names of holy books, before the names of musical instruments, before the directions, before designation, the chief minister, the prime minister, the teacher. Okay. And the, for the is used before the names of rivers, oceans, sea, the Ganga river, the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Red Sea. The is used before desert name, desert, the Thar desert. The is used before the names of the nations which has kingdom, the UK, the USA. Okay. And A is used before countable noun, a chair, a table. Already I taught you in this class. An is used before vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. An umbrella, an elephant, an egg. But one more thing you have to remember is, see, suppose if the word is start with vowel, so you cannot use an for some few word. For example, university. University start with U. Is it or not? But which sound it gives? U sound. So for that we should place a university, a one-eyed man, a European, European. Okay. So whenever you get U sound, you should place a, not an for that words. Now I have given here few examples to you. Take example. Now see this answer. Let me explain each and every one to you. His wife is dash European. Here the word you see European. E is a vowel. Is it or not? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel. So vowel, just you know that before the vowel you will place an, but here European, what the sound it gives? U sound. So his wife is a European, a European. He is dash best boy in the class. And the is also used for superlative degree, the highest, the tallest, the best. Okay. So what I am going to use here? The. He is the best boy in the class. Now she is, here abbreviation. Whenever you get abbreviation, it means an is used before the word which sound M. Whenever you get the sound M, place an MLA abbreviation, MBBS, an MBBS, an MLA. Okay. So here an MA in economics. She is an MA in economics. Honesty is the dashed policy. Honesty is best. Here best is superlative degree. Just now I said highest, tallest, good, better, best. Best superlative degree. So what I am going to place here? The. Honesty is the best policy. Okay. Best policy. Now next, here particularly they given about the earth. Okay. So whenever you get a particular thing, what we are going to place? The earth moves round the sun. The earth moves round the sun. So what the article I am going to use here? The. So an is used before, where we are going to use an? An is used before vowels, an egg, an umbrella, an elephant. Is it or not? An is also used before the word which sounds M, an MLA, an MP, an MBBS. Okay. After such, A is used before the word such. He is such a, or after A, after such. He is such a fool. He is such a person. So A is used after such word. Okay, now you see here, he is dash university student. He is university. Here the word start with u vowel, but what the sound it gives? U sound. So what I'm going to place here, he is a university student. Okay, not an, here a university student, because though this word start with vowel, but it sounds u. See, I bought dash ink pot. Ink pot. See, it starts with I. What is I? Vowel. So use an. Is it clear? I bought an ink pot. Rahim is SDO. So abbreviation. So an. Rahim is an SDO. He waited for hour. See here, an is used. An is used before the word which has the silent word h. An is used before the word which has silent word h. Hour, we can say a. He waited for an honesty. Honesty, h is silent word. I waited for an honest person. Honest, not honest, honest, h is silent. He waited for an dash sky is blue. Particularly they given about the sky, is it? So what I am going to place here, which article? The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Next example, that what I have prepared for you. Then after I'll give some homework also. Now you say this example, I saw dash lion. I saw dash lion in the jungle. In the jungle. This example is from your textbook. I saw a lion in the jungle. Next example, gold is dash precious metal. Now what I am going to place here, gold is a precious metal. Both dash boys are intelligent. See this example, both. So particularly they given about only two boys, not all. Okay, suppose in the class I want to call a boy. What I will do, I'll call by name. Is it or not? So suppose if I want to say about a particular boy, what I will say? The boy. It means I am saying about a particular boy. Is it or not? Boys means normally all. So if I want to say particularly about one thing, I use the word the. Just now I said the is used before the names of rivers, seas, oceans and deserts. The is used before the name of hotels, the Taj Banjara, particularly hotel. We have many hotels in the world. If I want to say about a particular hotel, I'll use the word the Taj Banjara, the Grand Kakatiya. Is it or not? So if the is also used before the names of trains. For example, if I say that I am going so and so train, you won't understand. If I say that particularly train, what I use? The Charminar Express. Is it or not? The Chennai Express, the Golconda Express. Now both particularly about the boys. So I just both means only two boys particularly. So I'll use the word the. Both the boys are intelligent. Okay. Now man is dash social animal. Man is a social animal. So these are the example what I given. So let me give some few examples to you. So already I taught you articles. Is it or not? Just only example once again I took so that you will revise this topic. Now homework. First one, First one, dash as is a gentle animal. Animal. See, this word start with a vowel. So what I am going to place here, just you write down that one. Okay, a, an or the. Which one is the correct answer? You write down. Next, I saw dash one-eyed man. Here wa sound. O is a vowel. A, E, I, O. But here wa sound. So what I am going to place, an or a? Think and write this example. Third one, dash Ganga is a holy river for Hindus. Just you write dash Ganga is a holy river. Here particularly they given the name of a river. There are many rivers in the world. Is it or not? Particularly if I want to say the name of any river, I use the Ganga, the Yamuna, okay, the Brahmaputra. So what is the article here? Write down. Next example. Rahim is dash intelligent boy. Here you see this word start with I. What is I? Vowel. So before the vowel, what I am going to place? Write down this answer. Okay, next one. I want pen. Fill this blank. Okay, fill this blank. There is a clock tower. In dash park. See, here they given about a particular park. So, do you see this clock tower in every park? No. So, here they given about a particular park. So, what I am going to use of which article? Write down the correct answer. There is a clock tower in dash park. See this example once again. What is the first one? Dash as is a gentle animal. I saw dash one-eyed man. Third one, dash Ganga is a holy river. Rahim is dash intelligent boy. I want dash pen. There is a clock tower in blank. It means dash park. So write the answer for this 6th example as a part of your homework.